Since I don't have a proper location for my weight plates, I have to keep them in a safe but inconvenient location. So I decided to create a weight plate rack on wheels so I can move the entire set next to the DIY power rack. Hi, my name is Jesse, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a weight plate rack. Let's get started.
I'll start off by measuring and cutting repurposed 2 1/4 inch 14 gauge square tubing. I usually like to cut all the metal pieces, then assemble and weld as I go. Then I use this 2 inch 16 gauge round tube to hold the weight plates. The actual weight plates were a little over 2 inches, so I wasn't too worried about struggling to fit the round tube. I was going to drill through the square tube to insert the round tube, but just welding it as a butt weld was plenty strong. When buying caster wheels, I recommend to make sure that you get the right weight capacity rating and that it has brakes to prevent the rack from rolling around. I then decided to add Olympic bar holders to make it convenient to store on the rack. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on all your future projects.